Right now, our principal social contact with the Emir.
Our relations with him up until this point have been ambivalent. You can change.
Gee, I don't know. I've never been outside the United States. I mean, do you really think I could...
Sonny, this is a chance for you to perform a vital service for your country.
Mrs. Saint, does this have anything to do with that strategic military thing that Mr. Hilly was talking about yesterday?
Absolutely not. It is to do with simple trust. Trust between us. Trust between you and the Emir. You'll be treated like royalty.
You'll stay in a lovely palace.
It will be like living in a beautiful dream. Beautiful, beautiful dream.
Dear Michael, I don't know when I'll be able to send this letter, but I just wanted you to know how grateful I am for helping me out again. I know you're going to be real proud of the job I'm doing. The people are certainly friendly, and they greeted me like I'm a real princess or something. I can honestly say that I'm on a sort of an intimate footing with some of them already, although, of course, I can't understand what any of them are talking about. I haven't actually been outside the palace yet, but as soon as I plan to contact the ambassador for any special instructions. I think there's some kind of feast tonight, and then tomorrow we're supposed to go on a nice camel ride in the desert. If there's a diplomatic pouch coming this way, gee, I wouldn't mind.